Dessinez la carte de la France. Draw the map of France. So take few seconds to draw the map of France and also really important things, put the city of Paris on your map. Because depending the shape on where you look at it, the map of Paris, I'm gonna tell you right now which French celebrity you are. Are you Napoleon? Are you Ratatouille? Are you Jeanne d'Arc or another French personality? Let's discover right now. I'm gonna show you the different shape you might have drawn. If your map of France is more similar to the first one, like a square, you are number one. We're gonna see which one is it. If it's more like this and you put the city of Paris in the middle, right in the center, you are number two, the personality number two, remember. If it's more like a kind of crepe, a kind of a circle, you are number three. If it's more like a kind of cloud, you are like the number four. Number seven, if you put the city of Paris maybe more on the left or more on the right, and you have like something really bizarre, a shape that has no shape, you are number seven. If you have this shape, which is called trapèze in French, number five, and this shape, a losange, number six. And if you are a totally different shape of all of these shapes, you are number eight, numéro 8. Let's discover. So number one was un carré, a square. Tu es sérieuse, sérieuse comme Napoléon Bonaparte. You are serious, masculin au féminin. Like Napoléon. Tu aimes organiser, planifier et tout contrôler. Tu es stratégique et ambitieux, ambitieuse. You like to organize, to planify, to control everything. Ok. Numéro 2. If your shape is more like a potato and the city of Paris in the middle, tu es original comme Pablo Picasso. Tu es une patate. Tu vois le monde autrement. Comme Picasso, tu n'aimes pas les règles et tu fais tout à ta façon. Tes idées sont uniques, parfois un peu étranges, mais toujours géniales. You see the world differently. Like Picasso, you don't like rules and you do everything in your own way. Your ideas are unique, sometimes a bit strange, but always genius idea. I know Picasso is not French, but he spent a lot of years in France and he spoke French. So he considers also himself a kind of French. Actually, he has been naturalized also. So he's a bit French. Okay, if you made a crepe to represent France, you are like Ratatouille. Tu es gourmand comme Ratatouille. Gourmand, it's an adjective we use for people who like to eat, who like good foods, chocolate, ok? Gourmand. Tu aimes la bonne nourriture, le plaisir et les moments entre amis. Tu sais que la vie est meilleure avec un bon repas. You like good food, the pleasure, and good moments with friends. You know that life is better with a good meal. After all this, I'm gonna show you how to draw the map of France. There is an easy way to do it. Don't worry. If you draw more like a cloud, un nuage, tu es rêveur, rêveuse comme Amélie Poulain. You are a dreamer like Amélie. Tu es sensible, créatif, créative, un peu timide, a bit shy, et parfois dans la lune, et sometimes in the moon. If you draw a trapeze, like a shield, or like a sword, like this, un trapèze comme une épée, a sword, tu es courageux comme Jeanne d'Arc. You are brave like Jeanne d'Arc. Brave et déterminé, tu défends tes idées avec passion. You defend your idea with passion. 6. Un losange. Tu es créatif comme Claude Monet, the famous painter. Tu as beaucoup d'imagination et tu vois la beauté partout. You have a lot of imagination and you see beauty everywhere. Un coucher de soleil, this is it, hein, un coucher de soleil, like a sunset. Une fleur, a flower, une vague, a wave. Tout peut être une inspiration pour toi. Everything can be an inspiration for you. Un cœur. Haha, this bizarre shape was a kind of heart. And if you put the city of Paris on the left, on the right, you're more like a romantic person. Tu es romantique comme Edith Piaf, the famous singer. I recommend her songs. L'amour, la passion, love, passion, et les émotions fortes, strong emotion, c'est ton truc. It's your thing. Comme la chanteuse de La vie en rose, tu vis tout avec intensité. Like the singer of the Life in Pink, you live everything with intensity. If you draw another shape, you are like Salvador Dali. Tu es fou, tu es folle au féminin, fou masculin, folle féminin. It means you are crazy. No, sorry, you're not crazy. You're just eccentrique, imprévisible et unique. Like Salvador Dali, who was not also French, but he spent some years in France and he could speak French really well. Ok, ok. Je vais essayer de dessiner la vraie carte. I'm gonna try to draw the real map. Let's do something like this. Ah, it's not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. Especially the left part is a bit weird. It's more like this. Hop. Okay. Where I'm gonna put Paris? I'm gonna put here, Paris. So it's not in the center, it's in the middle, but it's more on the north of France. Okay? I'm gonna show you the real map of France. It's like this. Look at my shape. It's not bad, huh? It's not bad. Yeah, it's really bad. No, it's okay. I'm proud of it. Why it's important to know a bit of geography of France. Just listen before I show you some place of France, like for example, the island of Corse, which is here. I show you Alsace, like the beautiful, like colored house, which was here. I show you Bretagne, which was here. I show you like a Provence, which is more like here in the south of France. So if someone speak about his city or like the part of France he come from, it's good to know geography. French people like geography. Okay, so it's difficult to draw this map, no? But actually, if you draw it exactly like this, you are like a perfectionist, like Leonardo da Vinci, another non-Frenchman, huh? Italian guy who traveled to France. Tu es parfait. You are just perfect. Ok. So, c'est plus facile de dessiner un hexagone. So, it's easier to draw an hexagon. Up, 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 up. An hexagon, it's like a shape with 6 sides. So, which is called an hexagon. Actually, it's a nickname of France, l'hexagone. Okay, so you can draw France like this. Actually, on the coin of €1, there is the shape of the hexagon. It was on the previous lesson. I don't know if I have it here. Ah, look at this when we learn the symbol of France. Here on the French one, because you know the euros have different one, you can see the hexagon here. Okay, so l'hexagon, it's a good way to draw France. Okay, there is another map I wanted to show you. It's this one. You can see the five main mountains. Les Alpes, les Pyrénées, le Massif Central. It's not a big mountain, but it's like not really high, but it's big actually, like broad. We have le Jura and les Vosges, like really nice mountain too. And you can see also les fleuves, like the big rivers in France. La Seine, the one that go through Paris, la Loire, la Garonne, le Rhône, le Rhin. Okay? Well, next class, you can do this exercise and we're gonna correct it and discover some French gastronomy. Remember, like these four first pages is more to discover French language and French culture. After we're gonna learn French step by step, how to conjugate, how to present yourself, how to count. Okay? So no worries, you're gonna learn step by step. Allez, à bientôt, au revoir.